Welcome to my channel Easy Programming Tutorials. Today we will learn about data types in Java. What is data types? To understand the concept of data type, I will give you one real life example. Suppose you have planned a holiday trip during vacations and you have to book tickets for your family members. The first action that you need to take is to fill a form to get the reservation. You need to give various details to the railway department, such as train number, date of journey, name and age, etc. This information is given to the railway department as a record that who will travel on a particular day, in a specified train and on which particular seat. Every piece of data is of particular type. For example, your name is a string of characters, your age and date of journey is of numeric type. Similarly, in Java, one must inform the compiler that in a program, what type of data values will be stored in a particular variable. Each data type uses a Java keyword to be characterized. Data types are defined as a storage format that variable can store to perform a specific operation. The size of a variable and a constant are determined by a data type. To utilize maximum amount of memory, Java provides a large number of data types. Let us understand this concept using a simple student database. Here are the variable names and their data values. The student's roll number is of numeric type. His grade is the subject, is a character, and his own name is a string. Hence, from the given scenario, it is clear that data is of various types. The data types in Java can be broadly classified into two categories. First is primitive data type and second is non-primitive data type. The primitive data type is further classified into integer, floating point, character and boolean data types. And the non-primitive data types are further classified into classes, arrays and interface. So let us learn the primitive data types one by one. So what is primitive data type? The primitives are like the cups at a coffee house that comes in a different sizes and each has a name like small, short, tall, grand. Similarly, in Java, primitives come in a different sizes and those sizes have names. When you declare a variable in Java, you must declare it with a specific type. The fundamental data types that are already in integral part of Java language are called primitive data types. Java defines 8 primitive types of data: byte, short, init, long, character, float, double and boolean. These can be classified into 4 groups: integer data types, character data types, floating point data types and boolean data types. So first, what is integer data type? These data types are used to store whole numbers as a numeric value. For example, 34 minus 2, 100, these all are integer data types. The integer data types have subcategories: byte, short, init and long. The byte data types have a size of 8 bits. 8 bits means 1 byte. The short data types have a size of 16 bits means 2 bytes, and the init have 32 bytes means 4 bytes, and the long have 64 bits. 64 bits means 8 bytes. These all have about integer data types. Next, floating point data type. So, as you know that numeric data types can be stored only whole numbers. They cannot be used to store decimal values. Hence, we use floating point types to store fractional numbers, that is numbers with decimal values. For example, calculations such as square root results in a value whose precision requires a floating point type. Fractional data types can be further divided into float and double. The float data type can be used to store the values with low precision digits, such as temperature, salary, percentage, etc. While double data type is usually required to store high precision values, such as scientific readings, location of celestial bodies and their distances, etc. The float have a storage or range between 32 bits and the double have range or storage of 64 bits, or it uses a 64 bits to store the data value. Next is character data types. So in Java, characters are stored using char data types. This data type supports the Unicode character set, which is an international character set designed to represent all characters found in every language, such as English, Hindi, Japanese, Chinese, French, German, etc. It occupies 2 bytes and 16 bits in the memory and can be a single character or multi-character. So the character type in Java is char. And it uses 16 bits to store the value. So a character data type is always enclosed within single quotes. For example, A, P, D. These are in single quotes. Next is Boolean data type. So, what is Boolean data type? The Boolean data type is used for logical values. It can have only 2 possible values, true and false. And it uses 1 bit to store the value. Here, 1 bit can represent either a true or false status. Binary 1 equals to true and the binary 0 equals to false. This is about Boolean data types.